Today we are changing seat belt for Peugeot Expert electric van 2022, and to start with you need to take this clip off. To take this clip off, you press this down and push up and lift, and it comes out. This is the mechanism. Yeah, this is the track. It goes in here. These two goes on this one. So when you bring this in, that goes like this, and you press it and bring it back in. So this is very important. After that it's easy, just open few nuts and belt out, and then you put new belt out. But to take this off, I couldn't see any video. I was trying to look for video, and I was struggling. So that's why I made this video, to take this off, make life easier. And that track goes into these two, and to bring this in, you press, it comes in. So that hole, square hole, that goes in, then you press and bring it back in, and it's on. To take it off, you press, push it off, it comes off. Then open this. I already loosened it with the 17 mm spanner, and it comes out. Okay, so seat belt is here. Yeah, one nut for the seat belt over there, the other one to bring that seat belt out, that nut. So to make life easier, you need to take seat belt, passenger side seat out, but I'm not taking out. Instead I'm folding this up to make more room. So that nut is I loosened earlier, so just take this nut out. Then just pull that out and lift this flap and bring out. This flap have this plastic. This goes in, hold this here. So that plastic bit here, there. Yeah. Pull that out, and this goes up to make more room to take seat belt out. So after that you just reverse it, put this back, take this socket out, plug out, and this only one nut holding it, and that's the cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these two knobs. You just push it out, take it off before you take the seat belt out.
Okay.
So so new seat belt is in, put back in. This knob goes here, and then the one is over there, and then you cast tight this. I already tightened with hand. I'm going to use spanner later. So push the plug in, and that's it from the bottom side. Okay, so just once you plug in the airbag switch or socket, tighten the bolt, just one nut of inside, and then you put this cover back. Just squeeze in, because there's limited space, because we are not taking the seat off. So just then matter of clicking those fastener, that goes in, and that's it. Bottom side is done. That's it. Okay, then suppose anyway, after the cover, you just, there's hole in the cover, so you put this nut in, tighten this up, and same on the top, and then tighten this nut. Okay, pause. Yeah, let me tighten. Put this back. These track follow this. To put this in, you have to push this in. That goes up and down. So then it goes in. Then you bring it down, and it's clicked. It's all done. That's it. It's all done. All working. That's it.